Hey guys, it's me, Soso. Today I'm going to be redrawing my old original photo for Ikutfitsi and Imahaka. In my previous video, I didn't cut it to the end, exactly where it's supposed to end, so there is a minute of just a white screen. I thought about reposting that video, but I figured, hey, why not make another one instead? So here I am. I didn't really explain the story last time, so I will now. It starts out with the two tricksters walking to the market. They bump into each other and ask what the other is doing. Ikutfitsi tells Imahaka that he has a fat chicken in his bag. And Imahaka tells Ikutfitsi that he is a blacksmith and he just made the shovel in his hand. The two decide to trade and they walk away. While walking home, Ikutfitsi walks past a field of yams and sweet potatoes and decides to bring some home. But when the shovel hit the ground, it shattered into 1,000,000 pieces. Turns out the shovel was actually made of dirt, and it was so well shaped it was super realistic. Ikutfitsi laughed and set off to find Imahaka. Meanwhile, Imahaka was heading home when he decided it would be better to bring home money than a chicken. So he checked inside the bag and out flew a crow. Imahaka yelled, "My chicken!" and decided to see Ikutfitsi again. The two bumped into each other and, at that moment, became best friends. That's the story of Ikutfitsi Imahaka. That's all, guys. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more upcoming videos. Also, you can check all the finished pieces in my videos and more on my Instagram. Go check me out on Soso Digital Art. Thanks for watching. Bye!